is Marinero, and welcome to Jada Smart TV. And for today's video is mag-unbox pa tayo na in-order sa Shoppe na isang hydraulic disc brake. This is a tube, sa Shoppe to. Tapos akin ko siyang i-unbox ngayon, and let's see kung ano yung kagandahan ng product nito. And if you are just new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to smash this like or smash the subscribe button and the notification bell para updated na sa mga bagong video na aking gagawin. So let's go. Okay guys, so ito na po siya yung aking this is behind on my disc brake. Kakahatid lang ito ngayon. So ano siya, ang reseller nito is si Rafael. Name ng store is Logistic Sorting Hub. Ando siya, galing pa to siya sa galing pa to siya sa ibang bansa. So product name, mountain bike hydraulic brake, bicycle brake set, brake for bike. Ito po yung pangalan nito. So maganda po to siya, maganda talaga. Maganda ang review niya doon sa sa Shoppe. So kaya sinubukan ko rin. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. So, ito na siya guys. Pair na po ito siya. So, pair. Maybe this is for ito para sa atubangan.
Feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. scene. When everybody wants to be king, yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take.
Yan guys, kung mga video, don't forget to click the subscribe button